Today we'll talk about how can you select who can send to you direct messages on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on privacy here. So then you come to next step here, come here to direct messages. You just click on it. Then it's going to show for, sorry, when you click here on it, direct messages, it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you select who can send you direct messages in this list here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.